So I've been using both of these scrub brushes that are sold on Amazon. This one over here is the TUYU scrub brush, and this one is a YKYI scrub brush. This one over here comes with 8 attachments. This one comes with 4. I actually like this one that comes with 4 attachments, this TUYU, a little bit better, and I'll tell you why. So they both come with the battery-powered base of the brush that will have different spin settings, and then to that you clip on each of the brush attachments. And then there's an extender arm that can click into the base of this if you want it to be long. So this one has that same functionality, battery powered, got the extender. It does come with more of these sponges that you can kind of attach onto it. And both of them have good battery life that will last for several uses and charge quickly. And both of them, the brushes are good quality. Oops. They're nice and stiff and clean well. The reason that I like this TUYU better than this YKYI one is because it's kind of silly, but this one makes annoying noises when you turn it on.
Power ready. Please press M to start. Low speed, medium speed, high speed.
So it's louder and it will talk to you, which I just don't really love that. And also the brushes that I use the most, because I mostly use this to clean my bathtub, is this big one and then this corner brush. And so both of those come with this pack. I was just using this corner brush here today, and then this one. And then I don't really use these sponge attachments very well or very often, but if you're thinking of cleaning where these type of extra attachments would be helpful, then you can consider that. But it's mostly just that this one is kind of louder and I find that a little bit annoying. But anyway, I hope that this was helpful and you can pick out the right scrub brush for you. I definitely recommend using an electric scrub brush. It is so nice not to have to bend over, because you can use that extender arm, and not to have to scrub. My arms don't get tired, and it makes cleaning so much easier, so much faster. So I am definitely glad that I have tried these out, and I use them every time I'm doing anything that requires scrubbing, most often with cleaning my bathroom. But I've used these on my walls and stuff too, to clean up messes my kids have made. So definitely recommend an electric scrub brush. I hope this was helpful in picking out which of these or a different one on Amazon might be the best one for you. And if you'd like, you can follow me for more.